Good morning. It's time for breakfast. Ah. Got a little guy.
First catch of the day.
Fourth
Catch of the day. Shit.
Almost every cast.
Oh no shit.
It's kind of crazy. Just the little tiny ones though.
Little babies.
Little babies. Waiting for the at least big chub. Now they're not biting. It's caught like 4 in a row. Weird. Something took my worm. Took my worm. Finally getting the skies to clear. Now you can see camp in all its full beauty. Just amazing. I got some gorgeous shots of the cabins to show you guys. Just amazing. We had a great little campfire here last night. My battery's about to die, so hopefully it doesn't, but we're fishing down here, having some fun. It's beautiful weather. I am probably looking absolutely like a hot mess express, but we are definitely going to be returning to home. Looks like going to be probably Monday afternoon, Monday evening, and then we're going to get ready for Rangeley the following day. So Rangeley is another beautiful area in Maine. It has some incredible dark skies as well. It's not quite as dark as I think here, but it really doesn't matter because it's still Bortle 2, Bortle 1. So some interesting stuff that I found out about this particular location at their camp was the town of Patton actually does emit a little bit of light pollution. And then there's Houghton, or Holton? I think it's Holton. Pretty much due east, that's about 30 miles away, that you could tell that there's some light pollution too. But when it's clear here, you virtually cannot tell at all. Patton's a very small town, and Holton's pretty far away, and it's not that big of a town either. But the only reason that you could tell is because of the clouds, and the clouds reflect the light from the town and keep the light in and make it brighter. So I do have a cool little time lapse for you guys, so check that out. So you can kind of tell about the light pollution from Patton. Just gonna walk around a little bit, kind of check out the forest back here and find Melissa's dad. He's working on the road up here, trying to make it a little easier on us to get in and out. So I'm curious to what he's doing. You can see how muddy it is. Definitely don't have the right shoes on for this. Just gorgeous. Got the bridge here. Stream running through. This is the place to be, man. If I could live out here, if it was just a tad bit more convenient, I would. You can see just how muddy and potholey it is. It gets pretty rough through here. There's a whole bunch more of them. Pretty bad. Oh man, it's muddy. Oh, yeah. Pretty bad. Would definitely be worried about getting stuck. These two I remember were particularly bad. They're a couple inches deep each. Super muddy. Just so neat. I'll never get enough of this place. Well, I just walked the entire path out to the sand area, or that basically big turnaround right before we get to the hard part, and no sign of Melissa's dad. So my guess is he went to town, which is quite the trek, to be honest, because it's at least 45 minutes in and out to get some gravel or material, I guess, to try and fill some of the holes. So good for him, if that's what he's doing. So cool. Walking back now. I might stop at that bridge again and maybe change into my swim trunks, get down in the water and set up the camera for a nice little video. We'll see. Not sure. At 300 millimeters, so it's probably a little bit shaky, but that's Mount Katahdin, Maine's tallest mountain way over there. You can see how the clouds are actually